YouTube, what is up and welcome back to another video. Today I will be bringing you guys a POV drive with the straight pipe bends. You guys will definitely hear a lot of cracks, a lot of pops, a lot of bangs, a lot of all of that. So without further ado, let's go ahead, hop inside and bring out this POV. But as you guys can see, it's like really like gloomy outside, but let's go ahead, hop inside and get this started for y'all. But as you guys can see right now, I already have the car on, so let's go ahead and give it a few revs for y'all so you guys can hear it. Let's put it in sport actually. I put that baby sport right back. Oh yeah, that sound nice. So go ahead and put the seatbelt on and let's get into this drive. So as you guys can see right now, I have sport mode on, so hope you guys enjoyed this. Dang, so many car alarm going off. As you guys can see right now, we are in manual mode, so I'm practicing right now for when I get my next car. Because when I get my next car, I'm gonna go ahead and start like a different channel so you guys can get all that car content. But as you guys see right now, I got the little sunroof open. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all like a little pool, nothing crazy. I'm also drive through neighborhoods, because when I drive through neighborhoods, it be so freaking loud. Oh yeah, that bitch sound good. Downshift. So you guys might be able to hear some like crackles and pops. We'll see. A little some. You can hear like a little bit. It's not like really freaking loud because I don't have like an exhaust set up on this car. But you know, I got a little pop and bang there. Which way am I going? I think dang, these freaking roads suck, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, oh my goodness, bro. I don't know if y'all just heard that. That was a lot of pops. I'm gonna just go over here and just like take the main road. Oh, I saw another version of my car. I ain't like catch it though. Alright, back, go ahead. Downshift. Gotta look both ways, you know. Got a little biker dude right there. That sounds nice. Downshift. Oh yeah, you can definitely hear the pops right there. Come on, little Nissan Century, little Nissan Cube. I'm gonna slide over here real fast so you guys can hear it, because like it be echoing off the houses. That's like how it's like extra loud. I like got this little POV real fast. How many watching the Raptor look like? Dang, that, I'm not gonna lie, that Matt Tesla right there, that thing looks sick. I do not know how to get out of here. I'm not even gonna hold you. I did not know how to get out of here. Is it that street? Nope, that's a dead end. I think it might be this one right here. Let's see. Is it this street? That's a dead. Oh my goodness. Wait, hold on. What the heck? Casually got a freaking Mustang 5.0 right here on drags. On freaking, oh my goodness, bro. That is crazy right there. Just casually a Mustang. On some freaking slicks. Alright, yeah. This is the way to get out. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, get over. What are you doing? Get out the way. You over here driving all in the middle of the road. Like, get out the way, buddy. Alright, go ahead. Got a little... Bro, who gets that color? Who says, I want that car? Like, come on. You know you're not supposed to be driving that. Oh yeah, you could definitely hear them pops. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed. Just like a little practice video. I'm gonna catch y'all once we get to M4.